Take a ride in the 2016 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.